Alright guys, we're solving division equations now, and let's take a look at a couple more problems. I'm going to erase this information on the screen. I'm going to bring up a new problem, but notice the variable is on the other side of the equation now. So step 1, it's to locate the variable. The variable is p. Step 2 is to think, how can I isolate this variable? I need to get 6 on the other side of the equation. Step 3 is to do the inverse operation. Since p, it's being divided by 6, the inverse is multiplication, and I'm going to use an arrow and draw that arrow from 6 to the 11 in this case, and I'm going to put a multiplication symbol below. Alright, this not only fulfills step 3, it also fulfills step 4. It's balanced to the equation. Okay, so I'm going to push this 6 over to the other side of the equation. So 6 times 11, that gives a value of 66, and that's equal to p. I'm going to take 66 and substitute it back into the original equation for p. So I'm going to change colors. I have 11 is equal to 66 divided by 6. So now I have 11 is equal to, well, 66 divided by 6 is 11, and this checks out. So my solution is 66 equals p, and I'm going to flip this information to lead with the variable. So p is equal to 66, and I'm going to box this. Okay, so let's take a look at one last problem. Alright, I'm going to work through this problem a little bit quicker. This would be a good time to pause the video and try doing it on your own. So I'm going to push this 2 to the other side of the equation, and I'm going to put a multiplication symbol underneath that arrow there. Well, 2 times 8, it's 16, which is equal to r. I'm going to take the 16 and substitute it back into the original equation for r. So 8 is equal to 16 divided by 2. I'm going to bring that 8 down in just a second. So I have 8, it's equal to, well, 16 divided by 2 is 8. This checks out. So I'm going to rewrite the solution below, 16 equals r, but I'm going to lead with that variable. R is equal to 16, and I'll box that information up. Cool guys, I'll see you in another video.